Sun is getting out of Libra from its debilitated state and moving into Scorpio in a few hours. Now, what is Scorpio for Sun? Means Scorpio is anyways, things that are hidden, like the deep, dark things. And when Sun gets there, it has to fight for its glow, for its light. It's like the Sun when it goes in Scorpio, it becomes a wounded king, I would say. A king that is wounded, but he's still a king. So he'll fight for it. He'll fight for his light. He'll fight for his respect. He will fight for his self-respect. As the old proverbs goes, like even though the sun is behind the clouds, it won't stop emitting its light. Similarly, even if it's in Scorpio, it won't stop being the king. It's still the king. Like if you talk about the current planets that are still there, Mars is over there, which is a malefic, and Mercury is retrograde. It's a very intense hot topic going around over there. Some astrologers predicted that Mars and Mercury retrograde is a conjunction for terrorist attacks, that you would hear some terrorist news around the world, and that did happen in Delhi, as we all know. Now Sun going over there, that means it would bring some revelations from the government. It would bring about Sun and Mars, and these are all the action forces, like the military, the police, the government, all this getting together, and Mercury being retrograde, that is no scope for communication, to be very frank. These all things would come together, and there's going to be some revelations as far as the global news or the national news is concerned. Apart from that, just keep your egos in check. Har Har Mahadev.